It's me, and I'm just here to show you the funniest recording I recorded in Birthday Factory. And yeah, it's gonna be super funny. I think you're gonna poop yourself.
Yeah, it's gonna be hilarious.
My sister did this, and she recorded a funny record.
Oh yeah, you're good.
So yeah, let's start off with this, whatever this is, a cake or a chip. That was the wedding. Look. Okay, I'm gonna put this. This is so funny. Oh wait, I yeah. Wait, what was that? Someone else talked. Was that Dad?
It was me.
That was
not Dad. It was me laughing.
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I meant to go this way. Subscribe if you thought this was funny.
Subscribe so that